Hi guys, it's Ray. I am just doing a small Butterfly Lane Designs unboxing today. Just some vinyl and decals. So, let's see what we got. Make sure I got it all out of there. So this is the directions for this, because this is a clear VC sheet. So you just cut these out individually and place them wherever you need them. So if you're looking for something like this, she has a ton of different flower patterns and stuff. You've seen me use the hummingbirds like this. But this you'll look for VC sheet on the website. And this is another VC sheet. It's going to be hard for you to see, but this is Bleach Spots. And there are 8 of them on a sheet. Let me see if I can peel a corner. So these are for if you have an image that's not printed on the white. Whoops. You can use that over. Like this one's not printed on white. This one's just clear. You can see the difference on the back. You could place it over the bleach spot, over your glitter, or whatever your other finish is, and it'll make this stand out better. So, that's what that is. And this is a full printed vinyl VC. So it's printed over the white. There's a decal in here that goes with this, so I'm going to set it where we can look at it again. This is one of her newer vinyls. Very retro-y kind of. Almost cottagecore type design. She put this whole line up. I had to get the one with the foxes. But there's a bunch of things in this color scheme that she added last week, I believe. And even though I have this image, and you've seen me use this image, I got one of hers to use on a tumbler, so I don't have to print it on a water slide or anything. And I got these cute little sunflower gnomes. It says, "You are my sunshine." And I got these But First coffee gnomes. This is the decal that goes with this. It says "Peace, Love, Petty." I think it's great. So, these are like, you know, universal hand signals for peace, love, and petty. Then I got this peace, love, and coffee one. This is stuck together. Alright, so she has this whole set of tarot card ones. I think there's actually a couple different variations on these, but these are the 4 I picked. I got the Reader, of course. The Mom, of course. The Coffee Addict, naturally. And the 0 F's Given. So those will be fun to put on tumblers. And I got another one of this because I absolutely love this decal. This one says, "Spread kindness like wildflowers." And then I got this one, which also says the same, but it's a different girl. So this one is a VC decal. This one is not. So these will actually be good to show you side by side. So you can see how this one is very, very, very translucent. And then this one, she did send me a VC copy of this one as well. So actually I'll just show you that one. But you can see the difference in the printing. Just for those of you really wondering what the difference is. So you can see them side by side. You see how this has that white layer underneath? And then this one has the no white layer. So this would be a good one to use over one of those bleach spots if I was going over a colored cup or over, say, a white glitter. And I do believe just about everything on the website at this point has the option to be printed with the VC or just the regular. But this one's a VC. And then this one is the last thing in here. It says, I pretend coffee helps, but I'm still a bitch. Too true. So, that is everything. Like I said, just a small haul today. But I don't know what I'm going to put with these. I just, like I said, the foxes were too cute. I had to have them. So, and the sunflowers, you know, because sunflowers go on everything. I can probably put the sunflowers right with these guys. It's kind of the goal. But that is everything in this order. So that is it. Butterfly Lane Designs. I do have the link down below. I have a coupon code down below. I do see more and more of you guys over there and coming into her Facebook group, which is awesome. So I will see you guys next time.